Gianna, and welcome to I Wonder. Today I woke up this morning wondering what I need to be a zombie for Halloween, and then I found the perfect thing.
Blood.
Using my lab experiments, I'm gonna be a scientist. I figure out my own recipe. So this is the red food coloring dye, and it's to make it red and make it look like blood. And this is the Hershey syrup chocolate flavor to make it thick and make it more darkened to make it look like real blood. And this is water, to make it liquid. And this is corn syrup to make it a clear, thick type thing. Make it clear. It's like this, but clear. And this is the powdered sugar to make it not clear and make it nice and make it taste good and delicious. I'm gonna mix all these ingredients at different ratios to achieve the color and consistency that I want.
2,000 years later.
Personally, my favorite out of all these, without tasting it, is like the more thicker one. I don't like the light one though. For experiment 2, I didn't like it because I used cocoa powder and it made it chalky. I definitely like this one because it's much thicker. So since I really liked experiment 1, I'm gonna recreate it, and if I like that, then I'll make a big batch. So let's get started.
A few moments later.
Looks good. Now let's test this out. This one's definitely more thicker. Right here. Actually, this one's much better than the original one. But it's the same color and everything, but it's not as red. Well, since I really like this one, it's much better than the original one that I really made. I'm gonna make a big one. So let's get a cup of water. Let's cheer this up. Powdered sugar checks out two cups. So let's hurry up and do that. Now I'm gonna add the food coloring. Now I'm gonna add the corn syrup. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of chocolate syrup. I'm gonna let it pulse on high. Ooh, that looks good and creepy. A recipe for a disaster. Okay. Just smells great. Definitely tastes better than the other one. Let's put it in here while you guys watch. Oh, awesome. So you might be wondering if it's washable. Well, there's only one way to find out. It actually is. It actually is. If you guys don't like ones that aren't washable, then this one would be good for you. So, bye. It's at the end of the video.